Hello and welcome back. Do you know how to pronounce these words? A lot of English learners get them wrong. Let's fix them. Today, we'll cover 5 useful words with their accurate pronunciation, synonyms, and practical examples. First, genre, genre, genre.
What genre of music do you like?
Second, debt, debt, debt. He is trying to pay off his debt. Third, subtle, subtle, subtle. There was a subtle change in her voice. Fourth, queue, queue, queue. We had to stand in a queue for 20 minutes. Fifth, colonel, colonel, colonel. The colonel addressed the soldiers before the mission. Thank you.